Welcome to LITKIDS. My name is Ahana Rhea Berkin. I'm a third grader in Hiranandani Upscale School. I am a TEDx speaker, a self-taught artist, and a DIY enthusiast. Today, I am going to be teaching you 2 intriguing crafts you can make using only household items. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So for our first craft, we are going to do bottle art. So we're going to use acrylic paints and sponges to keep the paint on the bottle. Then all we need is a pinch of creativity. So let's get started. I am going to first use my base coat as light blue. Now that the base coat is finished, we're going to leave it aside to dry. While that glass bottle is drying, I'm going to show you the second craft. For the second craft, we're going to be making a coconut shell planter. What you will need is a coconut shell that has been smoothened by sandpaper. Now we're going to paint it in a base color like we did to the bottle. I am going to be using the color white, but you can use whatever color you like. And now that we're done with the base coat, we're going to put the coconut away so that it can dry too. Now we're going to get back to our glass bottle, and now I am going to be doing some clouds. So we're going to use some white, then we're just going to slightly dab it on, just like that. Just like that. And they don't have to be perfect because clouds are in different sizes and shapes. And yeah, I guess we're done with our first craft. It looks pretty good. And don't worry if ours looks different, it's all about having fun. Let's get back to our coconut now. Okay, I think it's dry. Now we're going to be making I'm going to be making like maybe bows. Yeah, I think I'm going to be making some hair bows and all that. Right now, here is how they look. And we're going to make many of them around in different colors. I'm doing both, but you can do whatever you want with them. You can stick things like gems, googly eyes. So now that we're finished with both our artworks, they look so pretty, right? Now I would like to show you a few of my other bottle arts that I've done throughout the year. This one I made polka dots with different colors as abstract. Then over here I used a brush to make these pretty flowers. Thank you for joining me in creating these masterpieces. You can use them as gifts or even as household items. Thank you. Bye.